YouTube. Today I got this 2013 Nissan Sentra. I'm going to be replacing the right front hub bearing today because it's roaring. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Continue to make videos like this to make your life easier. I already got my part. Let's get started. First thing we're going to do is take this cotter pin off, or out. We have to take the axle nut off before we can pull the bearing. Take your cancellation nut off. And get you a 32 millimeter. Try to get my washer off. Let me go get my magnet.
That statute can apply to speech that doesn't even take place on the Georgia Capitol's
Okay, now we're good on that. Sometimes they get kind of stuck in there. Take our caliper off. That'll be a 19 millimeter. Ah, that one's tight. Let's see if I can get my gun on it. Got enough room here. And we do. Swing rest your caliper. So you can get it right there on the tie rod. Pull your rotor. Now we're going to have 4 17 millimeter bolts on the back side of that bearing. And I'm going to grab Mr. Electric here, speed up the process. Okay, now we're going to turn the wheel out so I can get to the other two. Alright. Let's see, maybe sometimes you can. Yeah, perfect. I still have my 19 on there. Get my magnet. Okay, now I'm going to pull this ABS sensor out of the way, just in case. Hopefully it'll come out. A lot of times they get rusted. Where'd that bolt go? It went flying on the floor somewhere. Of course, something's always got to fall. There it is. Come here. All right. Now take your hammer, which I don't have because I'm not prepared. My bad. All right, take your new bearing. Making sure you put this on the right way. Line your backing plate up with the bolt holes. Make sure you're facing the open part towards the caliper. Get in there. Okay. I think we're there. Grab on your bolts. Yeah. I thought he was talking to me. Guess not. I did work on a Tundra last night. See if I can get at least two started, because once you got two started, you know you're lined up pretty good. All right. Those two are started. This top one. Where'd I put my magnet? Fish it in there. That one started. All right, get in there. All right, they're all started. You don't want to run them down until you have them all started. Once you get them all started, then you can start running them down. Take the ratchet and do a final snug. If you're wanting to hand torque them, 100 foot-pounds should be very sufficient. And let me turn the wheel back out. Weird angle.
That's kind of the tier that we're going off of at this moment.
Okay. Grab your axle nut, put all that back on. Want that to all right. And if you're wanting to hand torque your axle nut, 150 would be good, foot-pounds. And I'm pretty sure that's going to break. Yeah. So, let me go over here and get a cotter pin.
What's the telephone number?
In the messy area over here that these guys can't keep clean. Danger zone. I just cleaned that area a week ago and they've already trashed it again. Someone else can clean it this time. Alright, fold it over like that. I probably should have put my ABS sensor back in when I had it turned the other way. Get in there. All right. Grab your 19. And if you're wanting to hand torque those, 150 would be good too. Because everybody's like, why don't you torque bolts? And when you've been doing this for 25 years, you know the threshold. So for all you haters, you want to torque, go ahead and torque. You can do the research. No offense. Where's that 10 at? Oh, there it is. Voila, and that's how it's done, y'all. Put your wheel back on, torque her down. I think that's 87 foot-pounds if you want to torque it. Anyways, I hope y'all have a good day. Please subscribe, check like. Y'all take it easy. Peace out.